Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Yan, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. May half moon pala ngayon. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba everyone? Ganda. Time check. 4:10 in the morning here in UK. And our weather for today is about 5%. Later, it comes the highest is 16%. Yun lang everyone. And sorry. I just drink warm water. And then lakas ng hangin. And then let's go in 15 minutes walk and 1 bus everyone. And maayong bundag sa tanan and sa Pilipinas, sa mga taga Bisaya, yun, sa Pilipinas, sa Manila, happy days everyone, magandang tanghali. Ayan, good afternoon. And let's walk in mga ganda ng buwan. Although half moon, ang laki pagkalaki. Big half moon everyone. So yun lang everyone. At mag-devotion while walking. Today is Tuesday everyone. April 8, 1961. Sa lahat ng mga nag-celebrate ng birthday today, especially my paring Dodong Hamil ng Grand Valley Subdivision. Blessed happy birthday to you, Pards. May you have many more birthdays to come and happy days always. Ayan, good morning everyone.
Hoy, madam.
Kain tayo.
Every single time.
Sana yung upuan ko ngayon.
Yeah, good morning everyone. I'm done my work, so daan muna tayo dito sa Oxford. Ayan, heavy traffic. So ayan doon. And that's it. See you later at the moment. Marlboro. Nearly there. But the problem is waiting for the pedestrians. So dito tayo. Tingnan natin kung narito yung pinabibili ni Sister Aida. So wala, yun. Red time. Na lang tayo sa loob. Yan lang everyone. See you later. Ay, ganda. Ayan, everyone. I'm done. Ay, meron pala dito. Ayan. So, I'm done. I buy this already. I'm going home now. Pauwi na, everyone. Ayan, waiting for 98, 189, 94. In 3 minutes, darating na si 98, everyone. Uwi na tayo, everyone. Bye-bye, Marlboro. And nga, ganito dito sa London pag summer. Mga floweret. At saka, ayan. Kahit saan may bulaklak. Floweret. Flowers. Y flowers. Ayan.
Marble Arch, Edgware Road.
Wow, sunny day today. Pero malamig. Pero malamig, everyone. Pauwi na, everyone. Dito tayo dumaan sa Arawan para hindi sobrang malamig. Malamig ang hangin kasi pag doon ka dumaan sa sa malilim. So, magpa-araw tayo. Yan ang view dito. Yan ang view dito, everyone. Mainit. Dito tayo maglakad. Kasi doon sa corner na yon tayo dadaan. Medyo mga ilang, di ko na orasan kung ilan ang minutes ng walk pag dito ko dumaan. So, ayan lang, everyone. Ayan dito, malalaki ang bahay. Mga nakatira dito, mga pensyonado. Hindi, joke lang. It's a joke. Ayan. Malalaki ang bahay, kaya maganda dito. Okay. Sarado na natin ang phone at may mga kakaibang tao. Bye at the moment. Ayan. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. It's 3:10. So, need natin ng early pumasok para early din ang uwi. Dahil kailangan. And that's it. And that's it at the moment. See you after 2 trains, everyone. Yan. Dito, mainit. Kainitan ng araw, everyone. So, see you when I see you. The train is already here, everyone. Sa dulo para malapit sa uwian. Ay, sa babaan. Sorry. That's it. Ayan, everyone. Nag-baker ako. Kasi nakalampas ako sa picture. Medyo parang nawala sa sarili. Nakalimutan na bababa ng beach. Kaya yun, buti na lang. Meron din naman dito sa Bakers. Sa Baker. Meron din itong Baker, everyone. Kaya dito tayo maghintay ng alligator. Tingnan nyo. Tayo sa platform 4. Platform 4. Ayan. Dahil 1 minute po. In 1 minute, everyone. Ay, dito na. Oh, crazy out there. Ay, hindi pa rin ako. Nako. Akala ko ano yan. Yun na yung alt gate. Eh, hanggang more gate lang siya. So, need to wait for another 11 minutes to take the train going to Algate, everyone. Yeah, dito muna tayo upo. Sitting down for a while. Yeah, bye at the moment. Sitting down. Yeah, kakaiwas sa Moorgate. Dito rin ako dinaan at dito rin siya nag-stop. So, need to take on the other side. Dahil ayan o. Arrive at 4:15. Grabe, diba? Ayan, andito na ako, everyone. See you when I see you. Oh, thank God. Grabe, diba? 3 o'clock na ako umalis sa bahay. There's a problem to Aldgate. They did not, the Metropolitan is just until Moorgate. So, ayun, nandito na ako finally. Tatlo lang kami dito eh. So, that's it. Ay, wala na sila. The grass. Yeah, good morning. Ay, good morning. Sorry. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. We are going home. So, maliwanag na dito sa UK dahil the spring is coming and the summer. So, kanta. Spring, summer, at falls. Ay, kalimutan ko na yung lyrics. So, patay tayo dyan. Okay, yun lang everyone. And see you later at my house. We're gonna take a train. Good evening, everyone. Kain tayo ng dinner while watching YouTube. Good night, God bless, and I love you all.